So one of the requirements of this exam is to be able to troubleshoot Azure File Sync. Now there is an article on the Microsoft Docs website called Troubleshoot Azure File Sync. I definitely recommend you reading through it or at least skimming through it. There's also articles on Azure Files for Windows and Azure Files for Linux. So one of the the strongest points I think I'll pull out of this entire article for you is that when you're having trouble with Azure File Sync, let's say the synchronization isn't happening, or it's delayed, or there's files are missing, or something's just not working the way you expect, should you recreate and remove and recreate the server endpoint? Remember, when we were looking at the file syncs, we've got the sync groups, which are the groups of files being synchronized amongst many servers, and then there's the registered servers, which are the server endpoints. Should you remove it and recreate it? And the answer that Microsoft wants you to know is no. No. Removing a server endpoint is not like rebooting a server, and they've even used an exclamation point. So that is a strong point that they want you to know. It's almost never an appropriate solution to fix any issues. So do not go into the registered servers and start deleting stuff if it's not synchronizing properly. It's really worth it to go and turn on some of the logging. So for instance, if the installation is not going well, there's a way of turning on more verbose logging so you can see what the causes are, etc. Okay, so I would definitely recommend that you look at this article. If you are having actual troubles with file sync, start to go down through here and look at what some of the solutions are. Okay, being able to reset the list of registered servers if you're not seeing the server that you're expecting, etc. But deleting the server and restarting is pretty extreme. Azure's doing a lot of work behind the scenes to synchronize your files. A lot of data being moved and a lot of steps to that. So removing it is it's not just a simple refresh. It should not be the first solution. So go check out this article, and there'll be some really good tips for how to troubleshoot this.